with all the searching I've come up with, there's one really good article that I'll link below that kind of talked about the history of the house. And it sounds like it was started to be built in 1936 by Chick and Harriet Logan. And he was apparently a cowboy in the area and was newly married to a woman who had previous children. It doesn't sound like they lived there all that long, but Harriet's son Logan actually wrote a book called Westward to Cave House, or Westward to the Cave House, something along those lines. And then from there, the only other history I've been able to really find is there was a woman named Hope Jones who was from Rhode Island and from money and into horses, lived there for about 10 years and had a ranch in the area, the Sea Spur Ranch, I believe it was called. And she was actually still living in Tucson late into her 90s. Another kind of interesting story I found in this article was that there was a young girl who left a photo of herself in the book that's inside the house, Leanne Taylor. And apparently she was 6 or 7 months old when the picture was taken. It was of her in the house, and that she lived in the house with her father, Leon Taylor, just for a little while. And they talked about how they would get materials down to the house. Basically, they used to load up big wire cages on donkeys, and they would take them down to the bottom. And then they would also have to skiff stuff down because the incline was so steep, which I can imagine after hiking it. So the house is really cool, a lot of neat history. I wish there was more of it, and I'd really like to find that book that was written. But anyway, this place is definitely worth some time to check out if you like off-roading and exploring. The road is pretty safe and easy to drive other than that one section that I showed you. Again, a couple of steeper wash crossings, but nothing major. But definitely go check it out, check out the area. And also close to here there's a place called Bradbury Cabin, which is an old abandoned cabin. Not quite as fascinating as this place, but still something neat to explore.
There's like a book over here to sign.
Well guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching the whole video. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, you can leave those below. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you out there exploring. Take care.
Here's where humanity shines, throwing all their trash in there. Oh, really? Wow, that's cool. People camping here? Probably do. Looks like they had a big old fire over some fires.